Gotta get back there. Holy moly, macaroni. Look at this. Oh my God. Yep. Every time it rains, this is what happens. We had actually all our bags of clothes right here. Right where this bucket is. There were bags of clothes, so, and we didn't even know that this was going on. So after a few months of coming down and coming down here to check on our stuff, the bag was totally filled with water. I mean, this is bad. This is very bad. This is the worst it's been in a while. So, you know, I want everybody to see this. You know, and the landlord says if there's water in here, it's because I put it here. If there's water here, I put it here. That's what he said. Look at that, that's flowing. And then you can see, I mean, that looks like black mold to me. But yeah, if there's water here, we put it here. Can you believe somebody would tell me that?